Hey, what's up everyone? Philip here from Quasar and welcome to our very first episode of Battle for Bitcoin. So today I'll be introducing to you our very first game called Botwars Ultimate Trading. I'll teach you step by step how you can play the game and start trading right away. I also want to share with you that Botwars is holding a trading competition that is going on right now. The competition is offering weekly cash prizes paid in Bitcoin for the top 3 winners. The competition is free to enter and it's being sponsored by BitFlyer, one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. The competition goes until the end of June, so hurry up! Download and install the game on your device because you still have time to enter. You can download the game on botwars.com or you can just click on the link to download the game on the description down below. As always, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And let me know in the comments down below if you have ever played a trading game before. Cool, now stay with me if you want to learn how to play the game and I'll show you how you can enter the competition as well. Let's get started. Alright, let's do that. So first of all, I have to download and install the game on my device. You can go to botwars.com and tap on the store buttons that you find here down below. In my case, because I have an Android device, I will go with the Play Store. Let's open up. Cool. I have just downloaded and installed the game, so let's open the app. When you access the app for the first time, you need to go through the onboarding process, which basically will guide you on how you can customize and deploy your first robot into battle. I highly recommend you going through the whole onboarding process because the more you play, the more you learn. So, I'll open my first order, or I'll deploy my first robot into battle. So to do that, you tap Enter Battle, you select a market or a battlefield, in this case Bitcoin and dollar. I have some technical analysis that tells me what the prediction on the market will be on those certain periods of time, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour. So I choose either way, but buy or sell. The indicator is saying to buy, so I'll trust the indicator, so I'll choose buy. Then you have to select your robot. In this case, I can choose a humanoid. Every robot has a different purpose and a different order and offers a different order type. In this case, humanoids, there are for manual orders. If you tap in the info button, you can get a little bit of intel on what the robot actually does. So I want to use that. Now I have to equip my robot with a weapon, a shield, and ammo. So for the weapon, I will choose attack. I'll tap on 1x. This is the only weapon I have as I just started playing. So if you tap on the info button, it gives you some background on what the weapon actually do. So I'll use that. So the defense, likewise, you can pick one of those shields. I have just this one unlocked for now, so I can use that. And with ammo, basically you can only pick the ammo that relates to your weapon. So 1x ammo relates to 1x gun, so I will choose that one. And then you have to brief the deployment. You can pick a period of how long you want the battle to go for. In this case, I will leave it at 5 minutes. This means after 5 minutes, the trade will end and I'll get a result. It's either a victory or a defeat. So because I have just started playing, this means I can only use 5% of my total balance of 10,000. Actually, my available balance. So as you can see here on the right hand side. So basically the attack means that I can only use a certain portion, or can only aim for a certain gain, which is 0.25%. As you can see here on the TP, if the market hits this price, which is 9,863, then the take profit is activated and therefore I win the trade. Likewise, if the market goes down and it hits 9,812, this means I lose my trade. So let's deploy. The battlefield will load up. So from this point onwards, you have which market that you have deployed, the side, if it's either buy or sell, the price of the actual assets, and then some other more information here as well. As you can see, I have the countdown here, and I have an indicator telling me if I'm winning or losing or profiting or making a loss. From here, you can go and watch the battlefield. You can view the configurations of your robot. You can recall, and you can deploy another. So let me close that, and I'll go back to the main screen. As you can see, I already have one robot that came from battle. I have to debrief it to see if it's a victory or a defeat. So let's look into that, and it's a victory. I earned almost $1 for this trade, and as I explained before, as you play the game and evolve your character, you will be able to use more of your balance, and therefore you'll be able to make a bigger profit or a bigger loss if things go sideways. So let's collect this loot box. Yes, I want to save my deployment. This means all the configuration is saved, and I can reuse the same configuration next time, so I can speed up the process of deploying. So yes, let's save it. I will open my gifted box now. Let's see what I've got. I got some tokens, some energy, and some gold. That's fantastic. There is a victory box here as well for every victory that I have. It keeps building up. So I've had my first win. I can open my victory box. Let's see what I've got. So XP for my 1x gun, shield, ammo, and more gold, which is soft currency. So that's how you actually deploy a robot and collect the reward. Now, let's see how we can get into the competition. As you can see here, there is a banner in the middle of the screen. So I'll tap into that. I have to connect with either Google or Facebook. So let's connect with Google. And here we go. The competition is loaded. We are on the second week. You have the leaderboard here showing the winners. My position at the moment is 13th. And if you flick between the weeks, so you'll be able to see week 1's winner and the prizes. Archangel dominated the first week, and he's probably, of course, dominated the second one as well. He must be a really good trader. So as you can see here, these are the prizes that Botwars is giving to the winners. It's a weekly cash prizes, as mentioned before, and this is a countdown that shows how long we still have left for the second week. So from this screen, you can continue and deploy another robot. Let's just do that. So I'll choose the same market, which is Bitcoin and dollar. Maybe I can try to unlock the Intel. So I'll use one of my Intel tokens that gives me an hour of technical analysis. And with that, I can see if the market is indicating a buy or sell. So I go with the buy. I'll use the same configuration as I used previously. So I'll use this one. And then I'll have the same configurations. I'll put a 5-minute battle, 5% of my balance, and my attack is 0.25. My defense is 0.25, and as you can see here, I have my weapon 1x, my ammo, which is 1x, that relates to my weapon, and then my shield. So let's deploy. And there we go. The order has been placed, and now I can go back to the main screen and continue playing. So that's all, guys. That's how you can play Botwars, deploy your first orders in the market, and start trading right away. Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you so much for stopping by and watch our Battle for Bitcoin series. I'll see you guys on the next episode. So please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't entered the competition yet, there is still time. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.